Hey yo, what I do. This is Mr. Index. Let's analyze, guys. So simply we can see from the daily time frame, we managed to get this here. I'll put it nicely. Yeah. So this was the exact value area we were looking for. Finally, we smashed it. So now we have this one as the recent value area that the market will love to retest. So if you go to the 4-hour, let's switch this to trend lines. So now we know that the market wants to retest this as a value area. So simple, you can see that the momentum that is built here is towards this as being a value area. So yeah, then expectations are very simple. Is for this to push to here. After pushing to there, we can expect the market to quickly just start dropping. So no problem. And what else confirms this movement is the correction to the upside. This thing is just simply correcting up there. Everything is just correcting. So this is definitely why. But yeah, we end here. Let's go to this one. Let it work. So this one basically it did everything expected it to do. Retested this high. So we'll fix it as we go. We can see the market simply came back to retest, even though how it retested was not in a way that we would have liked to. I need to move this. Yeah, like this. So basically, also expecting the market did a simple retest. Now it's dropping. So yeah, I think on the 1 hour we might head this as some sort of continuation. I can just remove this for now to show that we are continuing to the upside, like this. So let's just watch what it's doing. Definitely it will make sense a bit later. Now let's move to 10. So 10, still a beautiful sell, still selling. Yeah, but right now for me, what I don't like about it is that it's correct. It's now correcting too much. The corrections are just becoming too much, meaning that expectations of it now buying is there. Yeah, so we can expect it to buy a little bit, but definitely we'll see. We'll just see how it's gonna work, but yeah, no problem. As you can see, let's go to 10. 10 is still playing around. As you can clearly see, there's nothing much that I can say about it. We've been expecting it to push to the upside. So yeah, it's still moving around, but I love what it's doing. So finally, maybe now it's giving clear signs that now finally I think it's giving clear signs that it's going up now. Yeah, so now this we have to expand it maybe to something like this. This to here. This is something, something like that. I definitely do. Or we can fix it a little bit to there, that to here. Yeah, so we can expect it to push it a little bit higher. This one's let me remove. Let me see, there's more arrows that I need to remove. There's this one. But no problem. I think for now it's much better. But we have this. So okay, no problem. This is how we see it, this is how we view it, this is how we understand it. Then let's go to 15. So let's go. It's still loading. Okay, on 15 we can see. For me, I had high expectations that the market might just retest above somewhere here or here. So let's see when we go lower, what is it doing? So as we go lower, we can definitely see that this can still be a very small small movement to the downside a little bit, maybe to retest this. Going to use this now to continue here, from here to here or here, one of the two. So we'll definitely see on what it's doing. Now let's go here. Yeah, so definitely let's just watch that. We'll see what's happening. Let's watch out for these two areas, or it can easily as well just from here continue going up. So we'll definitely just see. Let's go back to the daily. Now let's go to 15S. So 15S, we are on the daily time frame. As we are looking from the daily time frame, let's see what it's been doing. It's also just been correcting. Nothing much to say. So now we can definitely maybe expect it to come retest these areas, but for me, I won't waste too much time on it. But it has some sort of continuation to the upside. So definitely we'll see. Honestly, like this for me, I definitely lose interest. I'm not interested because I don't see anything that I want. So I'll move to 25 immediately. So 25, if you were to check, we can clearly see that on 25 we still have another up area that we still wanted to push. So basically what it's doing now is still just playing around. So, and now it's kind of building a continuation to the upside. So meaning we can just expect it to shoot. We can just expect it to shoot with what it's doing, or push a little bit down to come and shoot. So we'll see which direction it chooses and from where, but either way the direction is simple as that. Now let's go to S. Okay, now that we're at S, we can try to look at the weekly. We can try to look at the weekly time frame to see. So with the weekly time frame, this thing has just been riding up. So even now it still looks like it still wanna ride up, but now let's see how it's moving. So now we can have this here, I think a little bit above it. I'll fix it as we go. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, it was an opportunity for it to come there. This is a very nice setup, with this having to be a very nice midsection. So meaning that either we get a 3-touch structure from this side, let me see, yeah, definitely something like that, or the market can just easily continue going up, because I think overall, let me see, yeah, I think the overall was a retest to here. Yeah, it was an overall retest to here. So of course I can see it just running this, because I remember I had this as a structure. Let me show you guys. I had this as a structure, but I didn't like to work the structure out. So with this being the midsection, let me show you guys the middle section. Yeah. Like this. For something like this. For something like this. So this still has a chance that to continue from what it did, to just continue going up to target these highs. Has the opportunity, but definitely we'll see. Definitely we'll see. Definitely we'll just see what happens, walk on. But yeah, we'll definitely just see what it's doing. So the structures like that, this is the understanding. Now let's move to 30. So as we move to 30 from the daily time frames, we can clearly see that, hey, we don't see much. Now let's go to this. I'm moving to the 4 hour, still on the 4 hour. Not much exactly. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see if the structure I see is valid. I see a structure, but I don't think the structure is valid because we had a very beautiful cell structure. Here with this, so I'm not sure if the retest of this has anything to do, but now we also still have really areas down here that needs to be filled. So let's see. So we can see it's trying, but this is not definitely really valid, but it's definitely going. So we'll see. So definitely just monitor its movements. Yeah, something like this. So this might have a chance, but we'll see. We'll just have it on the watch. Now let's go to 30S. So 30S, as you can see, is just correcting up and down. So now I think we can start removing zones that are no longer useful. So meaning even this one is no longer that useful. So now we only have 2 that are left. Even with these 2 left, I still feel like it still needs a way up. So we'll definitely just see what's gonna happen. So finally we'll see. But now let's move to another one. Let's move to 50. So 50 has just been massively dropping. It's continuing to do so. What's the reason? We don't know the reason, but the structure levels agrees that it can continue going down. If we were to use structure, this can come here. So yeah, no problem. With this one, we can't really say much or do anything. It's just dropping. So it ends there. We let it do what it does. Then let's go to 50S. So 50S basically has an expanding channel which still has highs on places where it reached. So now the confusing part about it is the movement. What's confusing is how it's moving. So, but yeah, we can clearly give it that. You can see basically it's correcting. So it correcting simply means there's a buy opportunity. There's an opportunity that it might just yeah. Let me just do this. Yeah. So yeah, okay, now when it's like this, let's just see what it's gonna do. How is it gonna react? If it is gonna continue going up or what. But other than that, for now, our job is just to monitor and watch it. There's nothing really we can do. So let's go to 75. So 75, we had a very simple structure. So with the structure, we had that it has chances of just pushing higher. So now let's see if that's still the case. Yeah, but it still kind of looks good, because at least if it was to respect yeah, so we'll just see what it does, if it's gonna continue going up. But even though for now we see a smaller structure, yeah, we'll just see, maybe can retest this a little bit. Maybe we can retest this. Maybe retest this and go up. Maybe not. So we'll just see. Definitely. Then now let's look at 71. So as 71 is still loading, we're still expecting it to push a little bit higher. So let's see if it's done. Let's see. We can see this is looking like a structure that we can't even understand its basics, but yeah, there's a chance of just shooting up to that area. So we'll definitely just monitor and watch it. Now let's go to 90. So 90, I don't think I did analysis on it, but also 90 has just been correcting up. So I think it has exhausted all the movement. Now it's time for it to just, accept. It's time for it to just accept that, hey, it's time, Abba. It's time you sell now. You've been buying for the longest. Let's see the expectations. Simple, no midsections, no crazy things. So basically, this is one of those clean continuation tight flags. This is one of those clean continuation tight flags. Yeah, simple. That's the thing is, yeah, I could actually sell this. I could actually take a risk on this. Let me see how is it gonna work. This is 90 index. Oh, let's see, 90, right? Nine, 90 straight. Okay, let's open 90. This is one of those good looking setups that you can easily just take. Let's see if I take it here. Oh, this thing is too big. Wait, what is this slot? Can I open here? What's the minimum load here? I go. Okay. So let's see, what is the minimum load here? Okay, 5. Wait, let me see. Well, 2 opening. Let me see. I can't. What about 4? 4 doesn't want to wait. 5. I can only open 5. Then where is my subset gonna be? This is crazy, man. Oh, this is a crazy positions. This is crazy. Let me close it. It's upset. It's crazy. No, man. Can't I open lower than this? I can't open lower than this. Oh, 0.1. I can't. Oh, okay. It's a crazy big lot to open. Okay, I cannot trade this, but it's fine. The lot is big. That's the problem. I was gonna take it. The lot is big. Definitely a big lot size. Oh my god, but it's a nice trade to take. It's a nice trade to take, but it's fine. I'll just leave it for now. It's okay. Let's go to what we can trade. Oh, let me edit things first. So obviously we are targeting this right here. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes. And now, actually, I'm pissed that I cannot take this trade because it's too big. The lot size is too big. 190 with the lot size is too big, bro. I'm just pissed I can't take it, but it's okay. Okay, let's move to here. Let's move to here. So here, basically, we're still waiting for it, maybe to push up or to just continue selling. But then definitely we'll see how it moves, or it's just gonna continue selling, because these were nice, good continuation setups that one could have been interested in. But definitely we'll just see and so how the market decides to move. But no problem, it's not a big deal. Yeah, it's not definitely a big deal. But guys, I don't understand, why is the lot size on this thing very big? Like, the lot is too big. It can easily blow in an account, but definitely no problem. So yeah, we'll see what it does. Let's move to 100, and I can't send it in that. Oh my god, I cannot send it. It's too big. People will blow with it. If I send it to my friends to see it, they might go in. But no problem, guys. Let's look at this one. My worry is big. So here we definitely can see. Let's see. We definitely can see that here it's a scoop down, still going down to around these areas. Yeah, definitely let's just watch and see. Let's watch and see, watch and learn. So now let's move to 100. This one, yesterday I expected that it taps down here before it can go up, but since it's doing what it's doing, we'll see. It still has a chance. Nothing has changed. Can still come back down to tap if it goes. So we are not really worried. We'll just see what happens. So now let's go to 150. I think 150 I didn't see anything. I still don't see anything. I don't need to even look at it. Then look at this. Let's see. This one I took it last. It's still selling nicely, but doesn't excite me. Where's that history? If I could show you guys history, I took the trade right above here. Yeah, but no problem, it's still dropping. It can continue dropping, there's nothing wrong with it. Now we get to the step index. So step index, as I said to the people, we have a chance of it just dropping from there, maybe to retest there, then go up or something. So let me take a picture. I'll send it in the group to my friends to see that hey, it did exactly. So now maybe we'll see if it's gonna continue. Then these ones as well, we had nice continuation to the downside as usually. Even these ones, we're so sure that the chances are that come retest, I think the retest maybe might be enough. The retest, let me see if can I fix, yeah, something like that. But let's add this one. Yeah, maybe with this somebody could have taken it up there. They're holding a sell with it, no problem. Good entry. Let me see on the hourly. Yeah, on the hourly time frame, if it closes like that, it's a good trade. It's a good trade on a separate rather to take it down with you. But yeah, definitely we'll see. We'll just monitor it. Let's go to 400. 400, I think is still taking. It's still just moving however it wants to move. No actual direction on where it wants to go, because the overall plan was here. Reached, came back down, so we don't know if should we say still continue to the downside or what, but I think it's still continue to the downside, so definitely we'll see what's happening with it. I'm gonna make a very long video this time around, guys. Even uploading it is gonna give me problems. This one. So, but I think I'll end with the steps. 500. Let me see. It's 30 minutes. Oh, but let's take it up, guys. Let's take it up. Or let me edit here. Then next time I'll make longer videos. Yeah, I'll just end it here. Danko, thank you.